flour.
Here.
Could try, but we need the other kind of flour for baking.
Whoops. Here.
Hooray!
Today, Peppa's family are buying ingredients to bake a yummy chocolate and strawberry cake.
What do we need first, Mummy?
Flour, please.
Flour, please, Daddy.
Ah.
And not a floury flour.
All right. Nice and gently now.
Okay. It's okay, George. It was just an accident.
Now it's time to add the eggs to the cake mix.
Remember, eggs are very delicate, so we have to be extra gentle.
Okay, Mummy.
Gotcha. Phew. It's okay, George. Accidents happen. Plus, I think you're going to love the special job that's next. Follow me, you two. We can't make a chocolate and strawberry cake if we don't have strawberries.
Yay!
Peppa and George collect strawberries from the garden. George is very good at collecting strawberries.
Well done, George. You did it.
Cake's in the oven. Oh, my. You've been busy.
George got so many strawberries.
Yay! Well done. Now, we just need to make some jam. So we're going to need some space. Daddy?
Mummy and Daddy Pig make a little tub and pour all the strawberries inside.
But how do we make strawberries into jam?
Oh, easy. Whoop.
You just jump.
It's just like muddy puddles.
Oh.
Cake's done.
And jam's ready.
I'll get the table ready.
All done. Thank you both for being so helpful today.
But there is still one cakey job left, though. The most important one.
Huh?
Eat it!
Hooray!
Everyone loves baking cakes together, but everyone loves eating them most of all.